Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream Home Style. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So my all friends, today in this video I am providing trendy and most demanding living room marble tables. All the designs are so amazing and fabulous. Here are some marble table ideas to inspire your living room. The first one, marble coffee table with metal base, offers a modern and sophisticated look, combining the elegance of marble with the sleekness of metal. The second one, oval marble table, adds a unique shape to your living room and works well in both small and large spaces. The third one, marble top side tables, perfect for placing next to a sofa or armchair to hold drinks, books, or decorative items. The fourth one, marble nesting tables, versatile and space saving, allowing you to adjust the configuration base or you need. The fifth one, marble console table, adds a touch of luxury to your entryway or behind a sofa, providing a surface for decor and storage. The sixth one, marble end tables with shelves, offers additional storage spaces beneath the tabletop for magazines or baskets. The seventh one, marble and wood coffee table, combines the richness of wood with the elegance of marble for a stylish contrast. The eighth one, marble center table with glass top, feature a glass top to showcase the marble base and create a visually light and airy look. The ninth one, round marble table with gold accents, adds a touch of glamour and sophistication with gold finish, legs or accents. The tenth one, marble tray table, portable and versatile, can be moved around the room to serve drink or snacks. The 11th one, marble pedestal table, feature a striking pedestal base for a sculptural effects and modern touch. The 12th one, marble and coffee tables, combines the elegance of marble with the transparency of contemporary coffee tables look. The 13th one, marble side tables and with built-in lamps, provides both functionality and style with an integrated lamps for reading or ambience. The 14th one, marble dining table, makes a bold statement in an open plain living room or combined living dining space. The 15th one, marble table with storage ottomans, includes built-in storage ottomans beneath the tabletop for extra seating and hidden storage. The 16th one, marble sea tables, perfect for use with sofa or armchair, offering a convenient surface for laptops or snacks. The 17th one, marble and rattan coffee table, blends the elegance of marble with the natural texture of rattan for a bohemia inspired look. The 18th one, marble and concrete coffee table, combines the luxury of marble with the industrial thickness of concrete for a unique aesthetic. The 19th one, marble cheese table, doubles as a functional game table and statement pieces of decor in your living room or game rooms. The 20th one, marble cocktail table with LED lighting, featuring built-in LED lighting to illuminate the marble tabletop. So guys, I hope you all love these all marble table ideas. So please share this video with your friends who want these types of marble table ideas. I hope they will love all these marble table ideas. Also please subscribe my channel for new and trending ideas related to all home decor. Also like, comment and share. See you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.